here's how you can empty storage on the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So on the Apple Watch, we don't really have like the file browser or anything like that, but we can most definitely check out the Watch app on the iPhone. And a part of the general section, you should see the storage information, right? So you can see it's like somewhere closer toward the bottom, and you can see what is taking up the storage of your device, right? And it's likely going to be just the apps or some media or content. So you can get in here as such, and if you see that some app is taking up too much storage, for example, an app like Translate or whatever else it might be, you can just go to your Apple Watch, hold down on the icon as such, and literally remove it and uninstall it from the watch, right? So most of the space is going to be taken up by apps, and you can remove the apps, but at first it would make sense to know how much they are taking up, so you can check it out inside of the settings, and then you can remove the large apps if you don't need them. That would be one option to do so. On the other hand, it might also be taken up by some media. So there are photos, music, and so on, and that can also be managed. Like you can go to the Watch app as well and basically locate the Photos app, for example, and you can turn off the photos syncing or lower down the photos limit so you don't have that many pictures on your watch, or even pick a different album with a smaller amount of media there. So that's what you can do as well. And the same thing for music and even other things, like you can turn off the music that you have in here and literally remove it from the device. And that's how you can lower down the storage of the watch. Other than that, you can just open up the Watch app and literally just wipe it clean. If you go to the general section and click on the reset and erase Apple Watch content and settings, so that's going to end up with an Apple Watch which is completely empty, and you can start fresh, and that would be like emptying the storage to the extreme level. But that is it from me. Let me know if the video has helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.